The new Rivals campaign is back. Are you ready to save up to 40% off? Would you believe me if I told you that this was actually the dirtiest vehicle we've ever detailed in the history of Chemical Guys YouTube? Yeah, that's right. I know you're looking at me crazy, but believe it or not, this whole interior went through a full transformation. Looking at it right now, this thing looks better than brand new, but best believe that's not where it started off at. We'll be posting that video in the coming weeks, so make sure you subscribe right now so that you don't miss out on that series, because that right there is gonna be an absolute banger. But serious business, guys, although this interior looks good, it does not smell good. But we're gonna go ahead and change that real quick with our Total Reset Odor Eliminator. Now, luckily for you guys can actually smell the stench that's coming out of this interior. It's kind of hard to believe, especially when you're looking at the interior and it looks better than brand new, but it just smells horrendous. It smells like something died in here. And I ain't gonna lie, something did die in here. A lot of things, a lot of animals and insects. But besides that, we're gonna go ahead and move on to using our Total Reset Odor Eliminator. This is our newest member of the family. This is our crisp linen scented air freshener in our Total Reset Odor Eliminator. So this is cool because you can actually go ahead and set this flat on your interior, turn on your AC, and that's gonna actively get rid of all the bad odor causing bacteria caught within your interior, caught within the air vent system. And we're gonna go ahead and use it on this Mercedes here today. Using Total Reset is extremely easy. The first thing that you want to do before you even use it to begin with is clean your interior. That means clean the carpets, clean the seats, clean the dashboards, clean any part of the interior where any kind of odor causing bacteria may be able to stick onto. Once you do that, then you can use this product. Once you're ready to use Total Reset, the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure to turn on your vehicle. Brum, 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 brum. The next thing that you're going to want to do is turn on your AC. Turn it to full blast, and you want to make sure to put it on recirculating mode. That way, whenever you set off the air freshener, it's going to actively recirculate the air freshener all throughout your AC vents, eliminating any kind of odor-causing bacteria and just filling the room with that fresh, crisp linen scent. The next thing that you're going to want to make sure is that there's no people, pets, or plants in your vehicle, so make sure it's completely vacant. And then you're going to go ahead and pop the cap. You're going to set it down onto a flat surface, and this is the fun part. All you have to do now is engage the trigger lock and get out. Simple as that. So let me go ahead and engage the trigger lock. I'm gonna get out the car, I'm gonna close the door, and then we're gonna let that do its job for about 15 minutes. Woo! This is the fun part. You just get to sit back, enjoy the show, but you know, in the meantime, feel free to do anything around your vehicle, like apply some tire shine, wipe it down, apply your favorite Chemical Guys spray wax, or really anything that you can do in the next 15 minutes. It doesn't even have to be detailing. You can go read a book, go for a walk, you know, kick back, lay down on the grass, maybe go grounding, watch a sports game, doom scroll on TikTok or YouTube, do a jigsaw puzzle, a Sudoku, write a haiku poem.
Dirty car smells bad. Place your Total Reset now. Come back to good smells.
So as you can see, that Total Reset Odor Eliminator is all done spraying, but you still want to make sure to keep the doors closed and the car on with the AC on full blast. That way it has time to recirculate, because remember, this is a very, very powerful odor eliminator. So you want to make sure you give it enough time to break down all that odor causing bacteria and just really refreshing your ride. So just let that sit anywhere from about 10 to 15 minutes. And then once you're done with that, come back to your vehicle. You're gonna crack the windows to let it air out, and yeah, you're done. That's basically it. It's not a whole lot of rocket science to it. Just plop it down, set it off, come back in about 15 minutes, you're good to go. And just like that, guys, that's how easy it is to eliminate any kind of interior odor causing bacteria with our all new Total Reset Odor Eliminators. Remember, this is a brand new product. This is our fresh, crisp linen scented air freshener version, but we also do have it available in different ones as well. If you want to make sure to check out the different ones, tap the link below. But don't forget to subscribe, because we are going to be unveiling the disaster detail video series on this Mercedes very, very soon. And you guys definitely don't want to miss out. So make sure to subscribe, like this video, comment, and you know, do all that fun stuff. Until then, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys. We'll see you next time. Ooh, bottle flip.